whole week off of school, Alex?
Yes.
What do we do?
You didn't. You're not in school. Yes, I am.
The sun has finally decided to come back out. And the rains and the clouds have parted for spring break, people.
Why? We went to the water park twice. And go to the beach twice. And we saw 2 monk seals fighting twice. We saw them the other day fighting and the next day fighting.
At least Alex has spring break. John doesn't get a spring break. Nope. Alex and Hailey and I, we're making this happen. So what was the #1 request for spring break? The water park. Because you really can't in the water park, and you know what, sometimes it's kind of nice to just enjoy it in the moment with my family and my 2 little girls. We had a great time. So the water park is great, but you can't have a stay vacation in Hawaii without going to a beach. In this case, I took them to Secret Beach. Now, there are actually a lot of secret beaches on each of the islands. And why are they called Secret Beach? Well, because their location is supposed to be, they're supposed to remain secret. Of course, people have plotted these things on Google Earth, but in Hawaii, I've come to learn there's an unwritten rule, especially for creators, to not disclose locations of beautiful, magical places. And you can imagine, right, like these places are not designed to take that many visitors. And there are millions of people that visit Oahu every year. So imagine all the people who visit Waikiki Beach going to some of these secret beaches. Like, it would destroy it. It wouldn't be the same beauty that it would have. Because Waikiki Beach, like Honolulu, spends millions of dollars every year maintaining that beach because of all of those people. I mean, there's people out there picking up trash every night, cleaning those beaches. You're not going to get that everywhere on Oahu. And so there are secret beaches, and just bear with me. I've come, like, we've almost been here a year now, and I've started to see the impact that a lot of tourists have on the island, and including their interaction with some of the marine life. You're supposed to stay 6 feet apart from turtles. Like, you are going to, I don't even want to know what the fine is. You may actually have jail time if you actually touch a turtle. And you're supposed to stay like 50 feet away and get out of the water with monk seals. So monk seals are highly endangered, and they're also aggressive at times. I don't know if you guys have seen the video from last summer.
By the state has found the woman who was bitten by a Hawaiian monk seal did nothing wrong. The incident happened yesterday morning approximately 150 feet off Kaimana Beach, where Rocky had recently given birth to a new pup. Officials say the 60-year-old California woman did nothing to provoke the attack and was not even aware the seals were in the water despite warning signs in the area.
She had no idea that they were there, and sometimes they're going to surprise you, right? Like, they're incredibly agile and fast in the water, and 1 minute they're not there, and then the next they are. But as soon as you do see them, you are supposed to come out of the water. Now, we went to Secret Beach, went on this long tangent, and Well, it's Secret Beach for a reason. And it delivered. Within 30 minutes of us showing up, we had monk seals. And then, of course, the turtles came out to play.
Do you like the beach?
Yes. And it was one of the secret beach.
It was one of the secret beaches.
Yeah.
Seal, yep, we're gonna give him his space. Just give him a space. Yeah, there he is. No, give him his space. You're supposed to give him his space. He probably just wants a nice beach. Oh, there's two of them.
What?
They probably just want a nice beach to take a nap on. What's doing, Hailey?
Fighting.
Alex, Hailey, get ready to back up, butts. Come here, girls.
Sounds like a pig.
Run away, doesn't he?
Girls weren't done, right? Like, can't stop there. It was another beautiful morning. The sun rose. So we got up early and we went to Secret Beach again.
Around two people. We're going back to Secret Beach. Girls want to go back to Secret Beach. They said it was going to be mostly cloudy, but by God, it still looks so beautiful today after months of nasty weather. It just feels so nice and warm.
Mornings are the best time of day. The birds are out, the animals are out, and if you really want to see like the best side of Oahu, in my opinion, you need to either get your butt up early or be prepared to hit it at dusk.
We're at Secret Beach, one of the secret beaches. We're at the rock. Mom said she is a turtle.
Oh, there's a seal behind you guys. Sarah here.
I kind of like this seal. It's cute.
Yeah.
We never saw a seal line go on sea.
These guys are monk seals, and they're endangered, which is why you're supposed to give them so much space. I mean, other than the fact that they could actually, you know, attack you, which they've attacked other people
But
before.
Mom, they're so cute.
Yeah, they're cute from a distance.
But dangerous.
They're very dangerous.
Can you chop your handle?
Oh gosh. Hurry up, get out. Oh my god, he is heading straight for her.
The monk seals came back. They weren't fighting as much, but they were more playing. It is springtime, people, so.
See the little fish?
I'm going to the water there.
Okay, good luck.
Whoa! Serious?
Slimiest, you hate slime?
Well, not here, slime.
This fish, Haley? I think that might be a little fast for you, dude. Watch out, slimy and slippery. Ooh, hold on, kid. Careful, Haley. Yep. You gotta figure it out now.
Haley is getting so much better in the water, diving in, like putting her whole head under the water. What? Gosh, it was only maybe, I don't know, I guess 6 months ago now that we've started this journey of snorkeling and learning to swim and all this other stuff. And so she was taking her floaty off and practicing without the floaty. That girl is not far from full on out snorkeling with me out in the ocean. It's gonna happen. It's coming this summer. Summer near you.
Mommy was proud of me.
All right, we just made it back on base. It's even a nice day over here at Schofield. Ah, yay, it's starting to feel like spring. Thank God.
We are truly blessed to be stationed here, to call Hawaii home for 3 years, maybe more. I don't know. John and I debate it all the time, whether or not we want to see if we can try to extend. And of course, like, the Army's going to have its final say. But yeah, it has just been so magical. We've seen so much wildlife and beauty. I went on this hike the other day with my friend over to the Pink Pillbox, and what did we see? We actually saw some goats. Like, I've heard that they're quite common on the Big Island in the way that pigs are common here, but to actually see them out on the trail, that was pretty wicked cool. This is just one of those magical places where you don't have to drive 2 hours to get out to nature. You know, when John and I lived in Sacramento, we lived in Sacramento for a while when I worked for Target. Literally, it would take an hour just to drive just to get out of the city. And here, literally, I can step out my patio and I've got, or not even on my patio, more like in my house, I got geckos and lizards up the wazoo. And, you know, it's just kind of nice just to be surrounded by